Kala village, located in Shandongnan, Miao and Dong Autonomous Prefecture in China's Guizhou, is home to diversified intangible cultural heritage such as embroidery, batik making and ancient paper making. Over the years, by virtue of its rich ethnic culture, Kala village has attracted an increasing number of domestic and foreign tourists.
I love the culture here. I love the people are so friendly. I love their passion for their culture. The children grow up with their culture. They don't ever forget that they come from here. And it's on display everywhere you go, the love of their culture.
It's amazing. There's a lot of handmade items here, a lot of handcrafts, silver. Saw them doing the silver work and the bamboo cages, bird cages. What I love the most is there's so many textures and colors, also the clothing. And I think the main thing is that around here that the texture and the color is all interwoven into the culture. I'm just feeling the history, and the history, like you said, goes back thousands of years, and here you have this opportunity to really engage with it. It's that whole visceral feeling that you get from coming to a place with such an amazing history.